Next we are discussing bipart integration, in which after some times it will convert in terms of original integration. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि हमारे पास कोई इंटीग्रेशन है fx इंटू जी एक्स इंटू डी एक्स. ओके, तो इसे हम ज्यूम कर रहे हैं i. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर हम बाई पार्ट फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. तो क्या होगा, आफ्टर 2-3 स्टेप्स विल गेट अगेन सेम i. ओके, आफ्टर समटाइम्स विल गेट व्हाट, सेम i will come. So I, if you take this side, so we'll get 2y. Okay, like that we have to integrate. Okay, for example, if I take here, because from example it will be clear. So if I take I equal to integration of e power x sin x into dx. Okay, so we want to integrate this one. So here e power x is what, integrating, and sin x is what, differentiating function. तो क्या आ जाएगा, I equal to sin x is outside, we are using by part, integration of e power x dx minus in bracket differentiation of sin x, so d of sin x dx, d by dx of sin x, integration of e power x dx, and outside is dx. This will come. So we are using by part formula. So I equal to what will come, sin x, integration of e power is what, e power x, minus integration, differentiation of sin x is what, cos x, integration of e power is what, e power x dx. So you can see here we are getting exponential and trigonometry. Then again here we have to use what, by part. So again e power is what, integrating, cos x is what, differentiating function. So what will come, I equal to e power x sin x minus, okay, so here you are using by part, so in bracket cos x outside, integration of e power x dx minus big integration, differentiation of cos x, so d by dx of cos x, integration of e power x dx, in bracket dx, and bracket close. This will come. So again we are using by part formula in integration of cos x e power x dx. So we'll get this one. So here what will come, I equal to e power x sin x minus, you can take inside, so what will come, minus cos x, integration of e power is what, e power x, minus minus what, plus, differentiation of cos is what, minus sin x. Okay, so minus minus plus, integration of d by dx of cos is what, minus sin x, integration of e power is what, e power x into dx. This will come. So here what will come, I equal to e power x sin x minus e power x cos x. You can see here minus, if you take outside, what will come, minus of integration of e power x sin x dx. This will come. So you can see that I is what, integration of e power x sin x dx. So instead of this one we can write what, I. So that means after sometimes we are getting again I. So this one we can write what, I. So what will come, I equal to e power x sin x minus e power x cos x minus, this will come what, I. Okay, so after that we can add plus c. Okay, after that we can add plus c. So if you take minus I this side, so we'll get what, 2y. So this will come what, 2y equal to here e power x we are taking common. So e power x, if you take common, what will come, this is what, sin x minus cos x. So what will come, sin x minus cos x plus c. So I equal to what will come, e power x divided by 2 sin x minus cos x plus c by 2. C by 2 we are writing what, c dash. So c dash equal to what, c by 2. So this is your integration of e power x sin x. So here we are using by part.